candle makers hide this from you. Learn how to make an infinite candle that never goes out. To start our simple tip, we're going to use a glass container like this. First, let's add some stones inside the container. This part is totally optional, being for decorative purposes only. You can also use coarse salt or fruit peels instead. Next, we're going to fill the container with water. Actually, we're going to almost fill it, leaving about a finger's width of room at the top. We need this room in order to add our next ingredient, which will be cooking oil. This is going to be the fuel for our lamp. You can also use used oil for this. It doesn't need to be new. And finally, we're going to add a few drops of some essence. The one I'm using is eucalyptus, but you can use whatever you prefer. After this, now we're going to need a small plastic cup like this one. And with the help of scissors, cut out the bottom of the cup. I'm sure after learning this, you'll never buy candles again, because you'll never be in the dark again after making this emergency lamp, which is very easy to make, using cheap ingredients we all have at home. After cutting out the bottom of the cup, we're going to make a small hole in the center using a heated tool, so that we can pass the wick through, which in this case will be a piece of string. Just take a piece, wrap it a few times, and then fold it. Just the way I'm doing in the video. It will look like a piece of rope. You can also use a piece of cotton fabric. The result will be the same. Now place it in the center of the container and our lamp will be ready. Just light it, and the oil on top will keep it lit all day. Then you can place it in the living room, bathroom, bedroom, or any other place you want. This homemade lamp will stay lit for a long time, and it's also going to help to perfume the room. When the oil is running low, just add a little more and it'll keep it alive. Also, keeping the environment lit. This is an excellent tip, especially during rainy seasons when some cities often lose power. And with this homemade lamp, you'll never be in the dark, all without spending your money on candles. So this was today's tip. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.